The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for west central Pottawatomie County in central Oklahoma, northeastern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm.
Scared of nothing